no. Then na obit me aka se waye. Na ubisa ye nuanom MPP fo a. Ye omo kan nyina no say o. Ye the free SHS aba. Bra misre wo eni diem. That additional 130,000 Ghana cedis you need to get $10,000 no. From what you needed in 2016 no. Sebi. O de ma se onipa na ontimi fa ntwe ne ba so. Obenya bi kura ene sebio ofre abusiafo. So, minua mesre wo sorting cry. Pebibe ma ebronya eba. The first thing obechere one and say enuma mu ayedin. Because en quantity no na that businessman na owo swame sesi ame no kasa otie ya ohwe ye no. Na $250,000 need me man kra about 5 containers of spare parts. Assuming say even one container is $50,000. And then the same 1 million, no, it means man not cry only one container. Who say you have done better? Not yet. Because of the exchange rate in it, no. Or not so called cry your man bar. Obey day. Obey increase the price. It is trotro driver OTM, taxi driver OTM, ne spare pass, ne car or qua, and can't it ball joints. Board rent and no me tono and net price now cost so almost 500%. So people are going through hardship. Now, when Gabi Asarojidakun October 2016 or your Facebook post be. Now I just want to read that Facebook post in context. Ebia minua kwejo ewo response be Emma Gabi Asare Ochidakun. Now the Gabi Ekayano, I'll just read it. October 31st, 2016. Could you? Okay. NDC is campaigning on infrastructure. And this is what a university don says about it. The economy is number 1. The economy is number 2. The economy is number 3. Because when we have a better economy, all other sectors perform well. Majority. This is what Gabi said in 2016. Is it true today? Gabi Saka can be very profound. And that should tell you the attitude of the MPP. Or say vote for change and not interchanges. November 2016. Or say vote for change, not interchanges. Sebio, Nanado Danko Kufado, enya $58 million. Unim the other year. Odi Tutokru. In the name of Cathedral. One fan be swami interchange. Odi Tutokru one crime. Mr. Wo. $58 million. Young man utie Mrs. Swam magazine. $58 million. The city equivalent is almost 900 million Ghana cedis. Unim the debate me in the life of a young man. Akufo-Addo say the cathedral is his priority or priorities. So I say Wankana. Wanka. Iti the ACN na ye hunu say Emra Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya the opportunity to elevate the development of Ashanti. So ombema Ashanti nkoso. Omuko tu tokro won cry. Another swimming pool. I will be in Jarim. Sebi. Manu Dasumunaso. Say yet me cry and use half of that money in the committee into Swame interchanger. Nankabadis and an air commission. Mr. Nankoye Day is due for commissioning at least obey commission 1 way cry. Bra. And some year can and yes it boosts remoka. A reality. Look. There's an American, a popular American actor, or a comedian, a friend of Michael Blackson, Unimno. Unim say, the mismanagement of the Ghanaian economy, Bawumia as chairman of economic management team, and then Michael Blackson to me control, eto the social media handle, say Ghana has stolen my investment and has taken me back financially. Tell me. And there, by reason of the mismanagement, the incompetence of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Ghana, you know, Nyama Yewo internationally has been downgraded. And then, okay, social media, now you're an investor, you're going to read the Facebook post of Michael Blackson. And what does he say? He said, Ghana stole my money. Sasemia, why can't say Ghana stole my money? No, you can't say stole. I can't say the way near there. We are Misika. I buy Ghana buying a we are Misika. Now, say Ghana buying a we are Misika. Investor ben no din Misika beba. Now, Sebio, yet your memu leader bia, your word is your power. Leader okasa any value obiamu. Yet your memu and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo one morning, evening, fellow Ghanaians, my beautiful Rebecca, I want to assure you
that
one can my beautiful Rebecca. Oh, okay, you. Oh, one can sir.
He addressed the nation. Rebecca is part of the nation. To our single outside to my beautiful.
Oh, that be the one say.
But your BTB.
Oh boy, yeah, my beautiful Rebecca, make sure to warn them.
You need to ask why. Yeah, the phone no see na mintie.
Okay, say my beautiful Rebecca no. Okay, we no say there shall be no haircut. I know so one thing.
Oh, so okay.
Was there a haircut?
In the end, Tokyo Joe no me.
Oh, that be a chati no cry if you want.
That was a haircut.
As I speak to you, Meno Cassette is here. Do you know the cost of the domestic debt exchange program? 61 billion Ghana cedis. From 1992, tell me, a bang in the Ghana for a facade in da. Since 1992. No nipa na wa ma haircut no. Or say I have done better. Only boom. Now me dear me ya in all of this conversation you know say sebi you. Wo woti hai. Ene wonya sika. Ubetimi aye say ubedi fufu anopa. Ubedi na wia na najo. Ebia health raising into na wonye. Obi nso nya ne sika no. O se odekoto bon. Many akwejonom. Omuna floated the idea of ESLA, PLC, ESLA bonds and the rest. For a term of dollars. In the space of 5 years, I buy a raise Eurobond alone, $11 billion. $11 billion in Eurobond in 5 years. In fact, what the Franklin Templeton 2.25 no can $13 billion in 5 years. For the musikamao. Sebio, mibisa wo. Swame interchange. Is it out of the Eurobond? Afri-Ezim no come for money for.
That's right.
Ain't it, sir, $11 billion now. Sebio MPP for raise year out of Eurobond. Then on the year.
So what the mammy call?
No, maybe 30 seconds now, so that I could just wait. Unim, Kenyan president be by no okofa sika $3 billion. With me a railway line from Mombasa, Eko Nairobi. Yaji 11 billion of Eurobond. Every single project and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ayebiano, there is a specific loan. So what did you use the $11 billion?
Thank you very much. That's $1 million question. Kojo,
Minya,
Mami, Emra Wache.
On say Ayana Union Mendisi for no economy now cranums on my year campaign on Montiasia. Obia or Tigan a beer nim say a 3 year papa John Ejekum Kufuor Koji bond for the first time, which was $7 million. Bond, well, $700 million. Sorry, thanks for the correction. After that, you know, bond the beer ayajibiano. O koji bond na. What does the bond do? O the bond do it old bond na ebe mature no. Inti se ebia 780 na all can wo no. So o koji 1 billion na fresh borrowing no. Eye only 220. Okay. Because emu 800 and emu 780 no udi chia the maturing of the 780 na ye papa John Ayekum Kufuor eje no. Omo abreso Omo Professor John Evans Atamils abreso omoji bonds. Yen MPP government buy ya omokoji bond no. There's the data is there. Okoji bond na. There is something called fresh debt, fresh borrowing. Abia okoji 2 billion no. Fresh no about be 800 million pay. 1.2 no udi tia ekada omo eboto ho na ye beto ye no. Yemfa no nto nchen. Minua Edoji aka insem bebre beautiful things about ena obi wo dollar ohia 170,000 na say ni say ena ne enti new discarding man na enti ankon tumi ntua na free senior high school. Enti anka yemfa obi a owo dollar is anko be here 40,000 no here we no 130,000 ye the man we pay ahwe ne ba. Ni refi say so ame ha no oba no ohia ye mamu bebre a omoso nyoma wo kwan ho. Oshia mami bebre a omoton anka wo kwan ho. Oshia trotrofo, oshia matifo, omu nyina wo ma. Omu ni sa dollar na wo kan bi. Omu ma ekusku free. Edoji forget say Kumasi enye businessmen omu wo swame nkwan eti Kumasi. Enti uba Kumasi a meka nsem bi te say ena magazine businessmen for ena we yes. Very important say you be address those businessmen I will come for any as and for businessmen. Admittedly, this economy has not been the best. Clearly, there has been external shocks that we didn't have a resilient economy to take ourselves off. We had COVID. Nobody can deny COVID-19 that came and shut the world economy. Right after world economy did not recover, today there is still a 3-year war going on between Ukraine and Russia. Nobody can deny that. That same economy hardship now, Ukraine and Russia for the Abano, and now Germany economy, right now they are nearing bankruptcy. UK economy, because of that, the Conservative lost heavily and Labour government is in. Omo buy no, koshe budgeter, omo de abetoa, omo peso, omo de eka, borrow, omo de taxes, eba, but to UK for so. And in the UK, families are not able to buy washing powder and see in Kwaranyoma in Kusku. In Kusku with a tidy of 3-4 days. Next year, Kusku because the economy around the world is difficult. Recently, America election, economy was a major issue for Kamala Harris losing because the UK economy and they almost debt to GDP. Obiasu, the US economy is resilient. It can bet me a borrow more. Almost debt ceiling their debt to GDP in America will be 200 to 1 to their GDP. They are nearing bankruptcy. But let me come home. Member Ghana. Edoji can say Bibre, which is beautiful. There are economic hardships. You drew Pempen Subia, ye on Quantanine. Right? Ye koye nim. This election no is about something very critical. Admittedly, all the market and all the businessmen know the problems that exist. Who can leader? Who is a leader? Only one leader exists in Ghana, and it's a president. No other person. Our constitution stipulates that there is going to be a president. He is the leader. Your candidate today was a leader before. He was president. Oh, me pacho o kasamanka bi pacho you.
LG allow. Yes. Allow.
President Mahama was a leader.
Your microphone is even off.
When he was a leader, we know what he did. Obi Yaws and a dollar from 4 cities to 16 cities. Well, whichever number you want to give it. Move a dollar from 1 city to 4 cities. Let's not make it look like President Mahama, who wants to come back, who was a president, who was a leader, has a good record to run on. He doesn't. In terms of the economy, now we're discussing, his record on the economy is bad. He took us to IMF. Admittedly, Nanado, Ade Akye IMF. But guess what? Nanado is not on the ballot. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the one who is on the ballot. He has never been president. He is not our leader. Minya, no credit eba kope. Ubetumi interject all you want. Ghanaians are almost kasanenim say ye call election 7 December akwa yi the leader from 7th January 2025. Ye kwa yi obia of problems are ye won nyina no. Why na ni trimu do? Why na betumi a resolve problems I wo ho? Why na akire say me ye omampanyina be de akire me ye mate me ye leader no. these are the ideas I have. Me wa for aseketwa free school by 7 years. Obeka che dem ma me say ma election we there Mr. Digital o ye mpe chicken wings nkete. A 7-year-old who free school by as obeka no. We all know the problems. Obi ani ho ti Kumasi ha enim se problems in ha. Me unye Kumasi ni nsi me. My bus station we so abeka Asantema mpuntuo aka. MPP are buying Asantema di ni ye. Not 100%. Because we can always get more as Asantema. But you only said going forward, 2 candidates are on more platform so. Ye ko 2 almost aba 7 December no. O man penita da John Dramani Mahama. Why you leader da? Why you president da? Or the ye could do some 4 years in Kofunjuma Guye because the lights were off. Or no person samba. Then Obia, he has never been a leader, never been president. Why ye oman penina bedi echiri? Or didn't some atuja? Or didn't manifesto aba? Where share in penifo kroma now with the laudable ideas? Or deba say obeye leader. Or no so person or ye leader to say John Dramani Mahama. Then let him be leader for 4 years. Now say not John you interested at that 4 years. No, you compare the 2 leaders. Today, you can't compare John Dramani Mahama as a leader to Vice President Baumia because it's not the same. One Ekura Afna Jubilee has swear as a president of Ghana. One has never done that. The economic situation now they keep forgetting one thing. Say, who can Gabi asem and now who can we? Gabi is not on the ballot. Nanado is not on the ballot. Who is on the ballot is Dr. Mamudu Baumia. Dr. Akko around the country. You can see all the things about an economic management team. And no can we, economic management team, ya chechiri mwachire Ghana for unyina momatia CSA is only an advisory body. Omutu penyini fo. Ya ba Asantema mu a ye wo Kumasi Traditional Council. Kumasi Traditional Council, any Asantema Traditional Council. Pacho muni ho. Why any taking final decision was Asantema mu? Me pacho. Ye wo Asantema Traditional Council. Ye wo Kumasi Traditional Council. Why any taking final decision? E wo Asantema mu. Asantema ra otumfo. Minua ma mentie wono ete se ya na unhwe o se oba Kumasi wachia otumfo ye nana. Metumi asendu Facebook post bebre abra obi anya amane wa ahemfie ene de menhia social media da roma obi atumi hwebi ye nyina ye hu video a ebia ohema bia kodi bone ye di nasem wa ahemfie anase ye di nasem nanse ya Kenya se hema asem ba ye di ne kogina badwam Asantema etenase oye man hene nti Asantema council etenase ahemfu ni nyina fokuo ni nyina bunkum nifa country obi aka ne de Then so yep, silver stool. Who is a silver stool? Mampong. Asemena Mampong hene kan ye. Mampong hene catch up him so say na na on fan channel. On the channel. On fan channel. Enti Oba Asantema mu a the vice of the Asantema is Mampong hene, the silver stool. He is on video to say Kenya say him adi awoye no. Nana wadaruma fachado. Ye to that so. Because your take or so frank or no or say or no, and now you didn't bet now to say unprotected Asantema and the golden stool, and his decision was final. Interoji, member Asantema mu and me kasa to say the Asantema mu no, any examples was Asantema mu. A leader has the final say. It doesn't matter what Dr. Baumia kachre. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Nanado takes the final decision. And Nanado has sat with General Parliament. I catch the Ghana phone and I say he takes the decision of this guy and he's going to be president till the 6th January until he hands over. And all the doings, the good or the bad, is his responsibility. Yeah. Thank you. But waka Edoji, mame kasa waka ye ma time. Ye ma time ma kasa. Me pacho. Edoji. Mitie. Ode ko IMF. Obi anim samode ko IMF. But me kojopokumi obi a me ka nokre. Me can say ye ba aban mu 2017 no. There now osan MPP aban led by Nanado ni say osan ke preach austerity. because the NDC has really messed up the economy. That's why we were in IMF in 2017. You free IMF 2018. You free IMF 2018 though. I was thinking you 2 year bossy. Na you 2 year bossy. Ne extension cry. You free IMF muno. You see, okay, the IMF. IMF helps you to put in place and you may be a one kasano untuminye. Enti no free hono. And no chine se san kone san ko twaso de wo ye no. I was thinking you 2 year bossy. You preach austerity. You boy abosuom. Nanke you building resilient economy because you need that chance. Yanye. Oh, you're free IMF. We want to. Oh, Kenofreata at the time, investment banker. It is how they a carpenter. Everything is a hammer solution. It's Kenofreata borrow. And now, COVID by. And it hit us very hard because we had not built the resilient economy.
Okay.
Then everybody knows the solutions he tried to prefer, which we know said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia vehemently opposed e-levy. What do you mean, Nipa no, Minyam, Nipa no, Wajana Nado and him, I can say I will abolish e-levy. He said it in front of the Nado that I will abolish e-levy. Saka, Ayadianka, Nijihua, and Kobetina. You see, you same 9 year can, and a doctor no, or the Naho Brassier, any name dear, any assume, name Resua or no subesum. Who you meet, how you meet. Udinaho, drive a bar, now a cockroach car. Now the cannabis you hot. Why you just car driver not to maybe a year drive it maybe a year. And we all know Kenofreata's solution was not Bawumia's solution. Today it's come to light. Said Dr. Bawumia had a different idea how to resolve the economic crisis, and e-levy was not one of them. The facts are there. The picture they make out just here. And Ghana for a nay. Yet the nyoma bebre aba abesoni passing. Let's even put this aside. Sanka Ghana muntia semwe pa ye. Ya anye free SHSA. Anka COVID beba. COVID-19 die ye po ye mpo anka beba.
That's right.
Yes say nsusu asun de beba na due na wa befa so aba. COVID ba ye no a nsem nyina aba no. Ye ma me ne papa no ma eni anka ye tua school fees are because there's nothing that says say COVID buy no ne dollar ni cedi ni nyina ni nsensem na kanya de tie but aban no edi nyoma bia ba abesoso yasen a eni no e how no ente se first no. That's why when Edoji says say and a free senior high school, see NDC for non dominance free senior high school, and we have the track record for them. When Professor Mills, in his election for a better Ghana, one-time premium, national health insurance, we will review 4-year senior high school. Yes, hey, Ghana for 2008, Omanhene Yaw, na ye papa, President Kufodin, Nyoma Pebiaba, free maternal healthcare, or Obana Wokowa, Yenjuska, national health insurance, ye diaba, omsuo there be, ye ben a one-time payment premium. Meboa. Oh, there be, ye be review 4-year free senior 4-year high school. Senior high school. You catch the Ghana 2008 Ghana for Munshe BB na NDC for normal bar. Year 4 years from become. So there be review. Yes, Muhe BB you na one time no national health insurance no. Yeah, you no more work out. Omo mpese beba. Muhe ni ye na hwe ya omo ba omo betwam. What happened in 2009 when President Atamos became president? The 4-year senior high school called back to 3 years. Obia Edia dance here say 4 years in senior high school is much better than 3 years in senior high school. We know you call old system.
That's right.
We can attest say the old system is much better. 5 years in secondary school was much better than today. But 4 years was even a much improvement on the 3 years. And then in Kromko school, 2.5 years. Mu na mo de bae. Mu be change their president ko 4 year 4 years. And NDC 4 year. Bibia MPBia yebian omani san. Omon pese beka ho. Enti mo maye edunda ho. Oma yebia ma yehu. 2009 one-time premium for a national health insurance. Ebe good national health insurance. We went back to cash and carry. And then national health insurance year to the point say dialysis is free under national health insurance. Minya unim emobrowa for mo mundi bi akọ hospital ka mo kidney. Anko for nam pebosia mo omumma anaso papa no nwa akọ dialysis a obisu. Because when the kidney failure the banana here dialysis either dialysis or you die. and minim never be brea omu ebusuafo awu because no money scar on bed dialysis. Minim osikani bi so a okoton ne dan ekoton dialysis machine be see fear nurse etin in China oil dialysis. Den ya sika ne beden ebesa. Sika ne san ye no ebusuafo si bi ni ho biem papa no owi. Ene under this government I must say he's performed badly no. Dialysis is free under national health insurance now. Mugu no. So please, this election is about say she would die chine to abapa. Men ma obi nkan chiro say wasitrim yes. Me nuanom papa no me manom amo magazine wo kuma se mamu nyina. Me de masamo ba wie. In how ne wo ho edoji aka bebre but nipa mienu na 7 December yekoto abamomo. Former President Mahama. Odwene se ono ene betumi ayesa akro yiye. Yehu ne da. Ana se nipa ode ntimu done ne nsempa atudwa. When former president said certain things now, you so why answer onye. Dr. Mahmoud Mahama can sempe na odi osia ayoyo. Enra yenyina yehu beautiful electric buses are eba nkran. Dr. Kai omsu nenye ye na de charging station ni ho. Enra yenyina yehu say odi electric buses naba. Of course central region say opese oyi make premix free ho. Now on my outboard motors are afraid for no they call a pono electric. No msuo munjano on the BBI digital ye the pilot project aba solar panel electric outboard motors aba akwa pam akowiniba amoma hu say the future the ye koyenim no is beautiful.
Eduji Mamema 5 minutes na kama 7 na fe minyam kwana mentoswa.
Medasipa for this opportunity. You see the level of dishonesty, the level of politics without principle. Politics are a convenience in kwa. In a minu opinion, I bet na ha oye. In one breath, almost about me, I implemented 33 policies. One is all my kata.
Oh yes, it's true.
In one breath, almost all your mates. It will need to me be in fact, now we crowd also. Yes. And to the point is that he went to the point of even bringing Otun for so now Sebio Otun for etnase and na Santiman Council etnase and na Mampohi, the occupant of the silver stool, me patcho way Otun for has the financing. Sebi. The leadership model in our Santiman, is it the same as the 1992 Constitution? Ye 2 Otun for Sebio.
Ye 2 Otun for Pacho. Ye 2 Otun for.
I understand.
I'm correcting you. Ye 2 Otun for.
Please.
I'm correcting you. Ye 2 Otun for.
Kasa, he's not with us. You don't understand.
No, but don't go there.
Let's not. But
I'm correcting you. Don't go there. Ye 2 Otun for. Me Pacho. There is a correction. Ye 2 Otun for.
Listen to me. Why are you doing this?
On the basis of that, you continue, but don't add that up.
The point I am making is that do the installation of the Otunfo.
You see Otunfo
Adia. You're the running mate canon.
Please. That is what he wanted to say.
Please. Don't insult the intelligence of people.
Yeah, they are
the two models need a difference. The two models are different. We run a democratic system. Sebio a democratic governance. In democracy, no presidential ticket in year 1, a year 2, indivisible. Itina Osha, Sebio year 2 ma omampeni. Sebi no ofimo. You don't run a fresh election.
Ade Akye.
The vice. You don't do that. Why are you doing this?
Who is the what?
No. Sebi, let's speak to people.
But the Constitution says otherwise.
Immediately Sebio Omampeni Sebi like Mills. Was there fresh election for John Mahama? No. He continued because the ticket is deemed to be 2 indivisible.
But the president can be there and will run the government without consulting or probably giving a vice president job to do.
In this case, is that what happened?
Yes.
Unless, of course, and you see, the politics at MPP is the most dangerous I've ever seen.
Which is
effectively saying, say, Akufo-Addo was not listening to Bawumia.
Nobody said that.
No, but that's
You can listen and you can listen and not take.
But allow.
I will expose you the duplicity. January 2019, by-election. Near Kwakwaye by-election. I also West Wagon. MPP for your last rally, I was by-election. Nana do etiho. Dr. Bawumia and Lady Al-Hassan. And Nanado Setio Nyankopon bo wiase no. Or the wiase nyansa bebre na de ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And that amamwo na ono webu no. Eye Bawumia dwen ina ono edi ebu mai. January 2019, by-election. The last MPP rally before the by-election. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. In fact, Uko Bawumia 2024 website or describing ho. Or say, I am the chairman of the economic management team, and I am at the forefront of government policies. Forefront. You can't say what I can say.
And so the abanshi say.
Oh, when I was say where the abanshi say nim for the past 8 years. Because economy na saying tino. Who Daniel fi will lead ho. Now, Sebio, also ye driver's mate and yanesa. But you what na tro muda?
Ani.
Oh, we are sure.
Nale it's a tro. Tro be at muda.
What na tro muda? The person who controls the car is the mate. On it meet red driver jinaha. Passenger we waha. Onu krana Sikasem crown or
Gigi.
On a Gigi crown, one of woman change, one of way. Oh, please. Mate, net me driver say, stop your ha. And we send your friend a passenger.
Wrap up, mammy.
No handle
adverts being so.
The only reason I ain't here and ne MPP for say Dr. Bawumia de oye mate is because sebi. Mano da sumnaso. Ome who say on more number ewo economy no.
One more number.
Bawumia. It's not say immediately no man a different characterization in one breath or implementing 33 policy. And now I mean no catch it here. Or say Bawumia akofa electric buses said Yaba. Mates. Who is the president now?
Nanado.
So any day Nanado by Bawumia. Have you seen the poverty, the logic, the poverty and the logic? In one breath, onu de oye mate. Onu mu wotwe. Oko use manpo hinu crash or patch or crash no tune for. But we cry there, we say Bawumia kofa outboard motors. Sebi. In fact, look, we are my senior brother. In 2016, one outboard motor was 3,600 cedis. Me no cassette is here. Bawumia as the chair of the economic management team, 38,000 cedis. You are not ashamed?
Okay.
Now, Sebio,
Mano si mame.
Mede mano esino. Anopai, opepe ka efi swame edi akwa adiembra. Udu hono when we two drivers. Baku so ye mate ina oti car na enim. Ose mo first year no mame ina oti car na enim. Baku say oh me experienced driver. Sebi wo ye badwin ba. Oba kotina car na mate etna mu na na. Manuesi.
Quickly. Okotina car nim ma driver na.
Wow, we say where you
Okotina car nim. Just 1 minute.
Not a report.
Okotina
You are not
Okotina car nim wa driver na okunya accident last week, you know. And as I Okotina mate I won't say. But anybody I mean can say. Osin Nanado say January. Osin Nanado say. Bawumia ye badwin ba me de na dwene ebu emai. why na ebu mine?
Ah, also the nadwene.
The nadwene why na ebu mine? Why na nado ono na nado no ebu mine no? Or the baumia adwene ebu ono na nado no e the baumia adwene ebu mine. That's the most important thing. Baumia's policy.
Can you imagine that?
All right, gentlemen, let me leave you here. Na mentuaso every animal. Mote eduji tamakro enka ena masanso so ate kwajopoku nka na yemfa aseda ema otwedi ampon medamo asepa se monya ye ho abotre na ye mfidie no bobo ni na ye ne Dr. Mensa ena you kind of say Jabin Rabank for Aljochen Komo. Oh, no, dear. Montrasi, Mamina, Yanamon to Chen Komona, the also the two Jabia, Mumpenny for no ha. Now, what to say, Mini Abema, Bibiaboko, 2023, the best bank, Rabank, Jabin Rabank PLC, and one more, Ewahanomo. Okay. Thank God. Montrasi, mommy. And then my mama swaya she. My mama swaya she pa. Oh, Abani Makwaba. Bibi abo call there. Mini aba. Now what to say? Danya mi asipa. Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Why is
How are you? Dedi kama memfa nchakese ma your customers. Any your shareholders. Ana yenu ababa kon aye friend no adwoa oforiwa amanfo ohwe a woman yi ana oye best female regional best female farmer. Good. Na Jabin Rabank e den chiakese e di ma yenu e bai na Omanhene me kano na Jabin Rabank two important events and this year you observe. Apart from say acquire best rural bank of the year 2023 no. And in Yama be na Sambeshia. Coming Saturday, 30th of November 2024. Mimenda ya Jabin Rural Bank. AGM. Hey. That is annual general meeting.
Jumason Kasiepa.
Kasiepa. Yene ya shareholders no a meeting. Omanhene CEO say we invite you. A special invitation. Elder Damwa Are. Say Yabra.
Mati.
Na yebeye say dwuman ewo Pentecost. Ewo dwaben ho.
Okay.
Na nyame ya doma ebo 10 o'clock pa ni e she say dwumadi ase.
Okay.
Unsa make say two events and bank no as a ye be share de bia no ye dear 40th anniversary.
Okay.
Enti ye ka say nyuma mienu nyina ye den abom. Enti anya ordinary event kake.
Yes say ye chef no.
E fa kese pa.
Na ya say ye AGM.
Na say ye AGM.
Okay.
Enti juma de ye yama ye shareholders.
That's right.
Ene omonso me interest opese obehwe bia utumi ba. Because that very day no enema bibiri na bekoso na ye council bi mu na ye ka say ye shareholders no ebe kra na o dividend no say Omanhene Jabin Rural Bank onene bank a o ye investment our shares mu a o dividend ensi hu na e wo ho e kese pa enti ne ye ka bi mu say more na o ye investment na ekwanim no more na o dividend so e ye den ekwanim. Enti near cancer your existing shareholders no mon cost cost and more. Yes, unya dividend no cry offer say wonye cash. Utimi decide can no answer dey na yasa ka say obi anso asebre wo ma Jabin Rural Bank emeto shares ne de na say enema bebri na ohwere. Enti ye tonsa ana ye use this opportunity say obi a uni shares e wo Jabin Rural Bank de bomodian bra na ba betubi e say emfaso bibri e wo so am say me de yinu bema me panyi no so ato aso
me penny yo ma memra won chen na
Omanhene
yeah here 40th anniversary AGM ne ade na mum obo on ma wate monka de entina bank bebrebe rural banks bebrebe memre dwaben na minimum digwa
yo Omanhene medase mpempi se ye kasada yaka anasi ye di dwaben rural bank ho adanse a ya na nipa bebre free se bi mpredua sa ye mudwa enye enimudwa ya na meka se ye dwaben rural bank de nipa ye consider the first you prioritizing in everything we do your customers enti your customers there se be producer you know omo ho agro kra enti enam sa kwa no so ye tumi ne your customers no abonde ya building relationship as our relationship no key in everything we do omunti na dwaben rural bank ewo ho na dwaben rural bank nso wo se ye besum wo mo sompa ye botae ene se impuntu mapa ebe dwaben rural bank your customers abrabom eno nti se wudi dwumadie bia wudi bia se eniema na woton se spare parts na wudi lane bibi bia wuye bia se wo ye contractor pa chow ufie usika fie ene dwaben rural bank ni nyina ne se Omanhene obi wo ho no ma ya na omota kan se bi se bank de ye ne mo edi dwakora mpu na emo abie no ho no ma mo beboae mesra wo so dwaben rural bank enhwe so so dwaben anasa oni dwaben rural bank ene eye adwuma enam se ye botae ene se ye boa yen customers ama motu mpon ewo mabrabo mu no dani de nyina ye hwe se sikasemu omadi hiade no ye so be den ye beye ama wo mo ya na metaka se yenko a ena sa AGM ya ye bekoi ye ko buse ho se yen customers do se na yama mpuntuo ayeden aba wo mabrabo mu enu nti baby bia wo bia no se yaba wajosuo baby bia wo ti yenka mesro wodi ane se wodi etutu anamo na bro dwaben rural bank na ye no enye adwuma ebe ye nwanwa se ye ko yen kofo bi ho kejetia na omu wo sika na eye eka omu ko na komdiska no abeto bank na ehu bi wo omu nti no omdiska no asie ye no omu din komo a omu fa sika no ba Omanhene se be catch us sika no se kana expiry date o ma na ka sika no ka say adasa eso ye di koye investment e ma omo me so ye was akofo ni bebra still ha no ehu bi wo mu se omdo omu sika e beto banka e bia bibi besi me so nyaare shemu wo dwaben rural bank mu sika na wo kura no ofie no me so nya hotos wo se wo de se sika no e be dwaben rural banka ebre bia wo pe wo sika bia no won sabe dey won sabe kan ya ye sika djuban infie aduanan ni sabe producer seka oyoba dwaben rural bank yoba nkasa bre wo ye sibra ekwemu enu nti efa yen sika sama ye de bo yen kasa bezde yenyi bi enya de enfrim obia sasa bi usua adepam sankofo yekura bo ye Cathedral obuhu hia me yie obia wo sua adwuma bia no me se ene ye yisha wonsam ansa na wako unim de ekira ebesi adentina untu susu kakra yo bibi e friend dachinti investment account o obetimi aboabo kapka pre sempo ano by the time I was here enwie no na wonso anya bibi kakra so ofa bi anasa maami bi entumi amwa wo krampo na wa watimi aboa ho obetimi de ato machine e de start sa product we e wo ho ma Omanhene dwaben rural bank nko a ena current account so we operate your current account go customers na current account de odu sika to no ma enu nti omompe kra dwaben rural bank se yan kan kire wo se sadia na on pet se COT no yente eti wudi an se wudu sika no to ebreso na se wo ubeyi akoye business no abeyo wabefa usika enu nti ye boye homodin bia se eniema nketenkete a emma customers journey free bank se omone bank enya adwuma no yenye ho no se ye bekrakra ni agi wo munyina ye se sika bia eni ho no ma isua wudi kapre anase sempo bia no fabra ye behwa so ama na ya ma security a ebetumi abo sa sika no ho ban na awo na tem bia wo pe bia no so wa dey waba na wabefa
Biriaba Benis ma yenhwe machira kwan no ene meamea amowo ne numbers no
Bashe dasi Pacho yeguso akamfu dwaben rural bank ama obi biara anape wotie o pe baby do sika to a yentete so a dwaben rural bank enim say banks ni bebre savings kura ba kwakoye no ho no
etu se hu
message na ye de beba say why deposit na why withdrawal ni nyina charges wo ho ba dwabere bank so to susu se wo save wo ho no ye ntehwe savings ni kura de dwabere bank ye ne de interest esa ka ho ma pacho ye kira kwan enye yira kwan ope dwabere bank ye head office no Asante dwabe ayemfie hodum na dwabere bank ye wo anu twa mo ba adwoso a your traffic light na say pacho ye onwe so market wo no behu dwabere bank obafume so a taxi rank wo na dwabere bank wo ye bonre so taxi station ho na ye ho oba abo so a abo so yo station ho yo pankro no abro san e wapa wo market wo honom na dwabere bank wo yo magazine ni road abawa road junction behu dwabere bank wo Boakye iti age 3 adeshman ho a ye honom pacho Roman Hill so ye okubefu onim Tonsu station ho ma pacho opesa ofre dwabere bank a trail numbers we so 0544 74 58 56 0544 74 58 56 and that's 0241 72 10 65 0241 72 10
65. Okay. We Nana Ampem Dako. I'm saying Rana 19 years mboa. Ono na Vanguard. Yes.
First board chairman.
First board chairman.
Of the bank.
You wada konwa obaha.
Oh, okay.
Ne ba wada ko. Nti no obaha no no kan say ne papa Yura Nana Ampem Dako. Mo first board chairman no. And ada sebrena no tiosrebo. President of National Council of State. Okay. Professor Dubois. Professor Dubois in there.
Former presidential candidate.
The late Professor Dubois. They are now the account owner. Pacho the account owner there.
Sa enipa kese o hwa dwabere bank na hoden ene ba bia nyankopon aboa yankosi nimdia etai dwabere bank every sa empanifo eni nipa bia eka ho nti se yedi e 40th anniversary na ese kai wo ene wo munyina so ayantimi ambo mudin no omoso I appreciate one baby.
Thank you very much, gentlemen and my lady Benis. Dwabere Bank, the best rural bank 2023. And yes, I'm good to all. Ghana rural banks, what you say?
147.
147.
147.
Now, we differs.
And you differs.
What's that? Yes. We don't want to.
Omanhene na make us say we a driver. Now person wants you car na number na do two jano free. Say who wiska be that them now person dey investment. Now we have very good interest on it so. That number na do two jano. Free.
No. Yeah, that was see. Okay. Yeah, try to my dinner so mekoswa pamocho say and your video no any year Monfanche and yes, and yet Dr. Mensa, Dr. Wonder, Ofia. Now I wish your birthdays, happy birthday to Fantastic Imboma, Director of Full Gospel International School, Fantastic Imboma, and there was that Warrant Officer Chumesi Ampon of Ghana Armed Forces. Good morning to you and happy birthday to you. Calvary Aseye Aduaba Moa of Immaculate Santa Maria International School from Mr. and Mrs. Amoa Gabi. Afe Dr. Alberto Poku, Principal Tepa Nursing Midwifery Training College from Yabuatin of Chronicle Newspaper. Ose Tutu Prempe of Mensia, Way Every Kuku ane Yabua Maho, say to Prempe. Do you know what I am Fudia Cassium you na abomo? As I easy. Say to Prempe. Wow. We easy. Yabama any cuckoo as or mouth trinkwa. No. Doctor.
Oh my.
Oh, and dear. Dear Mia.
Yes, I bet ye.
Medanya Mia Sipa, said bright, but catch him. Oh, Yaton Safro said Brand, if you didn't, oh. Awurade me da wase.
Before kaya me tu ya no so o man se bomod na abra sisi ana. Utu kwan ko abrochiri ba ye no wonu nhia.
Ami hu.
Nti o so be yu hu adi.
Boga no so fataw pao. Boga one.
Oh my.
Unye easy. Johnson yi masitre say wo de namje awards bi dia na bi. Oh my goodness. Aye, you will show any mudu. Ba ite wa no pe.
Yo, o my me da sipi. Dr. Mensa herbal clinic ya say si form biu. Ya sem tietie e pese e kan de kire o mo ayetie ya no pe ni se. Da bia ya so den fo te hu na mane. Di nta me kan sa asem ni se. Se obi aso odin a bibie ni ho a obeka kire na ode yasem. De ye kan sasa ho asem a yetu ho anamo ya bo ho dawura sese sase de obi achi a emwa no ma na brabo nwi peye anase wontimi enkona nim se de wose nipa ko na nim wa brabo mu enso ya kasa asem we si atu ho fo a nipa bebre na ampese omo de asem yi be yasem enu nti afutuo ayede ma omo ayeti ene se anope wo he program Omanhene dwumadi e koso ya omo abekasa wa ha sei MPP NDC omo abeka omo de ekọ de ye no obefa na ye nso ye de ye aye kan emu de ye no so ofa na ade bo bra
e kwai de ni nyina ayempo
what ya say Oman enu nti mafutu sem anase masem tietia a me de mamo ne se sasedura ya ka ho aduro asem na saso no enya hotel na enya agudie ye tumofo se ba bia wo bia bomod na adwale saseduro ne bi na beboa ma won so watimi akọwanim e wa brabom enipa bia de otimi ye na ma ne hu ye hu da bia me kan se aboa bia o de se ne hu no de bo no ho bai enu nti Dr. Mensa herbal clinic se ubie wonu kasa na enka bo ne ifiri wonu ba ye wona duru on se ya ka ho asem a ubie wonu se wo kasa na wonu bon a ye wona duru untimi ma ya so ye a wo frɛ ye doctor menso halitosis yale ye hamio na ya boa na ya ma woduro untimi makola ye ne de bebrɛ ye delivery service nti ye de bebrɛ ne a kyerɛ se de obisi a obɛyɛ duro no wo ba anum no bɔne a masisi ade anope ye wura ha se ya na ma me ba akɔ se doctor me ba wa hwe ye se me ba na ma be penu bɔne aduro ne bi dia ma me ba na me ba ne ye so otu kwan enso o ma me bie na akola ne ha se so ye de Fred ya ne ma ne die no ontimi no mu bie na enso na adwene no de ya se he density su yi na me se no so ye be sa aboa wo ye woduru e betimi de ama obi a na adwene ne nsisi su yi enmesra wo ba wo se ye enhwe no ma ne mpro ye wajapade Dr. Mensa herbal clinic nhihye bia wo se ye e de fe nipa pomuden hu bia no nyame adawro ma yaye de aka ne wo wana montu a wo betu na de abehwe ye chiri kwae na mo bi esefata bi de aboa wo fi se ye kan untimi mfoso nyame asa chenchena wo ma wo de hye no ho ye ne den yeso wo de fe nipa so that's right enu nti ye chiri kwae no e wo kotwi ye ni Guinness depot ne di nhwani mu e na nkran so ye wo Medina Zongo Junction ye wura Canada Japan abrosan wo Medina na abrosan na se e na ye wo bibi biala ye tete wo fa yale ho de metimi a kire wa ye Dr. Mensa herbal clinic emlante ye ne se de Dr. Mensa de adibiduro ye no enipa no bi ntia se dibesi ne na won ntia se kire se nyame de tumi ayeye tumi soronko hye obi nsa wo de ye adwuma ya na se ete no etena enu nti na ehia se bibi biala etete wo efa yale ho bibi biala ha wadwen fa wabrabo ho ya kan sasasemo a sasa no kla bebre na enu se jama ye duane ye diu anase bibi ete sa o sasa ya de boni a eba wo ho a ema wabrabo nkonanim metu ho fo makasa ho enso bebrebe na ebu wo masum nnua wo ka ho asemo a enka wo motwokobe mesra wo hwehwe Dr. Mensa herbal clinic akidi kwae na emwa bia wo sefata bia wo se ye de bo bia ye de ama me ade ba akwan ya na manage ho ne se nipa bia o ye adwuma na adwuma o ye no waya konanimu a du point bi se afa de na body no ye kese na che se nwuma o ye no e nwuma pa o mai se o mai ga na mu ha sei se ye nyina ye sai adwen se da bi party A ana party B ne ye to abama no na se da bi o no ana ye konanimu de na se nwuma o ye no e so o mai na ni ntra edi media me kan say emlante ye hena wonya na ba bi koda bia me refer na asem kire say emlante ye hena de o de Dr. Mensa esan ya che wo se doctor so ko na se obi hye edua keto abi popotwo abi ase na o ya duane na aduane na ɔyɛ no wobɛhu sɛ private cars yɛtu na ɔma pake hɔnom na ɔmo tu firi akyirikyiri na ɛbɛdidi hɔ a hunu sɛ na aduane a ɔyɛ no hɔnom no ɛgya wɔ mu firi sɛ wɔaduane nyɛ da a ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ obi bɛtu afiri kɔtwi aba atwe mu no mu sɛ ɔba bɛdidi wɔ hɔnom gye sɛ wɔaduane yɛ de saa na ayaresɛm no teɛ yɛn obi tumi firi tamale damango akyirikyiri ne bɛnkyɛn mu baabi a dɔkta mate wo ho asɛm na aburokyerɛfoɔ koraa mpo yɛtoa wɔn de nroma wɔn na Ghana ha obi te wo nkyɛn mu pɛɛ nso yɛsisi n'aso yɛfira n'ani deɛ ɔbɛka biara ɛmfa ne ho ɛna yale nso di ne nya wapa wa onya bi bɛrima nso prostate ha no obi wɔ nso hemorrhoid ha no saa deɛ wɔ yi ha nipa ɛnso wɔte hɔ nom na da biara yɛbɔ Dr. Mensa ho dawuro ɛnso ɛmfa ne ho masɛm tietia ne sɛ Dr. Mensa herbal clinic no nyame ahyɛ da yi esi hɔ nom sɛ biribi biara yɛtete nipa biara no sɛ yɛka na wote yɛ krato na sɛ to waso mu afrɛ yɛn na yɛmmoa wo enti agyata wia de nɔmba no etu dwa baabi awo biara yɛ aggressive na twerɛ yɛ nɔmba no sɛ wagyapadeɛ wofa yɛ nɔmba no na sɛ wɔfrɛ yɛn a aduro bi ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde brɛ obi ebetimi de abrɛ wo ebi nso a na wopɛ sɛ ɔba bɛhyia me ankasa nso a me sɔle firi ha me de m'ani kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ kotwi baabi a yɛne Guinness Depot no edi nhwɛni mu no na mwa ɛsɛ fata biara no
yɛde aboa
enti agyata wia
Johnson
fa yɛ nɔmba no tu dwa na afei no yɛn pigye yɛ mu
ɔman sɛdeɛ Dr. Penny adi nkan aka no Dr. Baye na ne nenum pɛpɛɛpɛ 5 days na me pɛ sɛ me ka kyerɛ sɛ wode bra na Dr. Nyame mfa no so mfa ne nsa ɛnka na gye wo ho ɛfiri wo yare mu Dr. number no yɛ 0244 92
92
12 69 0244 92 12 69 yes our 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 your last number is 0532 92 80 95
Oma da se na yebese ahia omo nyambe pe o mabo om no omumla kotwi anope na omo na je o mayales
okay yeah Daniel ho abasisi a yemfa commercial intwam na ye ba ya to adwumade ne so mo ne entra
pesika kra bia obeboa ama adwuma ye usika sama ye mo ho dia mekanfo Dwabin Rural Bank PLC and Amedema wo Dwabin Rural Bank PLC ye savings account, current account, Dachenti account, shares, microfinance, VIP cash collection services, sir, funeral loans, and church harvest mobile for the na pese beji musika mamu. Eye ne betena printiji musika mamu dia. Dwabin Rural Bank PLC and Amekanfo Ediama wo. Yes, I fixed deposit, money transfers, susu service, and sika bia we de beto account mu ana ubeyi bia no. Yes, send SMS alert free. Na de me dekra de say Dwabin Rural Bank PLC ye bi e bank yi ye nya 40 years. Hooray! Na enam ye nwuma pa ene Sompa ya sum ye customers nunti. Chamber of Commerce admire work kesie bia eye best rural bank of the year 2023. Dwabin Rural Bank PLC yen head office ewo Asante Dwabin. Yen branches ni bi ewo Ejoso, Bonre, Abuaso, Dwabin, Pankrono, Onye, Roman Hill, Magazine New Road, Sipetimpo, Fumesa, ene Adeshiman. Fraya 02714093340 and 05797927112. Dwabin Rural Bank PLC. We are the best.
Ghana for a brabia do say a to abadi. President Kufuor say one to obi beto man. Say we try nye ye na nipa na won koto no koto aba wo mpa. E na obedi areho saa emfie nnan. Wo so no de okunu se ba bia Ghana adru. Obi ogeni di so obetim di yakoye nim eye ne doba Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Tie President Kufuor.
Obi also want to pray and the message no say one to obi beto. Na ne be ya no say wa wo di bia so dinka di hwe de to. Na me ya bi nti wo semento want to know because na afebe wiase ne beba no na etia wo sunsum ni wa setran wa bi nyina aho na nyu no be want to na be bia benu yes nti me mesrese kantin mabobi my nipa ba ko maboni waboni di sure me dina na chi me ya anu stress sabe me nim nipa from our council no so me bono ne ne bia but me ma hwa de no as ba bia bedrede na me hwa na wiase se korona dia ba munya na sese.
Okay, that is Omanhene Kufuor for you, MPP4 announcement. Omodia bas. Omanhene Kufuor so she we assume the ecosystem idea. E wom say omo aka no ye then so my Ghana pa de adrede ono fi say abrante friend Mahmoud and Beboa. Okay, legacy night na legacy night enye easy say squad eba Kumasi hanom no enye squad ketwa kra na wa she serious man abranti amachi dede na oba be jirem na say amanfo e ka no ho omo ba no enya agro o de squad na egusu no Oforian Ponsa eba amachi dede eba na osha matisa abranti bi se obekobi na enye squad ketwa na wo de osha sen abranti e de nyum egugu